Hi, you guys. I want to talk about, yes, diapers. I just want to speak on diapers. But before I get into that, I just want to touch base. And I was reading this Facebook post, and someone was wondering what can they give as a prize for a baby shower. And it got my brain just to thinking. And to add to that, we're going to jump back to the diapers. Did you know a baby goes through over 2,000 diapers within the year? Yes, 2,000 diapers. And to think about that, and then think about that post, we're going to combine that together. Now, when you throw your baby shower, you want your guests to bring in a little gift for the baby. Not only that, bring in a package of diapers. How you might do that, you ask? Give them a good price. Good prices? Money. Who don't like money? And on top of that, let's snazz it up a little bit. Why don't you give them one of these money cakes? Yes, an easy release money cake. Underneath the money cake, you can write winner or whatever little message you choose. And I'm telling you, it's easy. All you gotta do is remove the ribbon and the money will fall right off. On your invitations, this is what you do. You tell your guests, if you bring in a pack of diapers or wipes, you'll get a raffle ticket per item. And you'll win a grand prize. And I'm telling you, your guests will bring in them diapers. So, to answer that question, for whoever wrote that post, make them a money cake. That will be your prize. A great prize.